From above, we capture the robust silhouette of the SUB, a small but versatile Turkish-flagged oil and chemical tanker built in 2009. At around 76 meters long by 10 meters wide, with a gross tonnage of 1,324 GT and a dead weight of 1,845 DWT, this vessel is designed for regional logistics, smaller ports, inland terminals, and coastal runs, where larger tankers can operate. Aerially, you'll notice her deck layout: multiple segregated tanks, pipelines, and vents, typical of tankers carrying different grades of liquid cargo. Unlike massive crude carriers, the SUB is nimble, efficient, and specialized, often working as a bunker, coastal supply, or product tanker. Since her launch, she's likely changed names or owners, but her flag remains Turkish, indicating ongoing regional operations. With a shallow draft around 3 meters, SUB can enter ports and estuaries inaccessible to larger vessels, making her vital for coastal energy transport. From her deck, we might spot crew activity, checking valves, managing mooring lines, or preparing for a cargo operation. And beneath the surface, SOLAS and ISM regulations guide every moment, ensuring safe handling and segregation of potentially hazardous cargoes.